Coffee and it's hitting. See if I can find any souvenirs for the boys. All right, just finished my coffee. Gonna go head back upstairs. James is waking up now. Probably go get into some breakfast and get our day started here. You can start your day whenever you want in Vegas. We're actually gonna head out to Lake Mead and go check out Hoover Dam. We're gonna stop at Walmart on the way, grab some drinks, and then hit up the lake. The mountains out here are pretty nice looking. It's more red in California. You can see them way off in the distance over there.
Take exit 2.
All right, so we just got out here to this viewpoint. It's Lake Mead out there. We're gonna walk out there real quick and check out the view. And this is actually a spot that I learned about from Ryan Toomey, who's a van life YouTuber who I like to watch, and he camped right here in these spots in his van, and now we're here. The Hoover Dam Lodge Trailhead. Spectacular views. You could see for, how many miles do you think we could see right here? 20 maybe? Man, those rocks are really red right there. Look at this canyon. Holy cow. Oh dang, look at that cave right there. Wild. Look at the old water level. We made it to Lake Mead. It's so quiet up here. I bet it's so loud down there. We're way up here. Way up on this viewpoint. The views are literally, in some of the areas, the view is probably 50 miles. Like way out there you could see for seemingly ever. Sun's starting to go down right there, so pretty soon this is gonna be all shaded in. We just finished up chilling at this viewpoint and we're gonna head back to check out the Hoover Dam. This is all new stuff for us. Oh, good call. I'm totally gonna grab some rocks for the boyos. 3 rocks. All right, there we go. I got some rocks for you, kiddos. Some red rocks. So we actually just made it up here to the Hoover Dam. We're gonna walk up this zigzag here. Holy cow, the drop off is gnarly right here. There it is. Sweet view of it. Woo. Crazy bridge right here. This is a monster. All right, so we finished up here at the Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. We're gonna head back to our hotel. Nevada, baby. All right, and we're back to the strip. Right, headed to New York, New York. We're gonna try and make it all the way to Caesars to go massive chicken. Really? Yeah, that's all right. Hopefully I like this. I know James will like it. They're gonna have a bunch of seafood. But we're gonna go eat somewhere else because the line for the buffet was super long, and then it wasn't entrance until 9:30, so we're too hungry.
Yeah, it's so
Traffic here is straight insane. They had an NHL playoff game, so the traffic on this trip is just like you can't even get anywhere right now. All right, we finally made it back to our hotel. Finally time to eat some bomb dinner. All right, that's a wrap on our Vegas weekend. Gonna head back today and got a drive ahead of us. We're trying to beat the rush and stay tuned for the next adventure. Adios.